Hello guys, so I want to show you how you can create something like this on your Excel dashboard. I mean, a navigation button on your Excel dashboard. I've been trying to work around it. One of the reasons I didn't really use Excel was because of the navigation button. I didn't have like drag and drop like that of Power BI. So the recent post, my recent project, I realized that there are too many charts on one dashboard. So I want to put it into a different dashboard. Sorry. So I want to put it in a different dashboard. So to be two dashboard, but I will need a navigation button for that. So here is my dashboard. One of the dashboard I already divided into two. I name one of it dashboard 1 and the other one dashboard 2. This icon is quite simple. I insert a shape like that. This arrow that looks like an arrow. So I insert that, then I overlay the text box, then write in the first and second dashboard in it, then I group them together. So the next thing is to right click on the icon button, then a list will pop up. Just click on the hyperlink. You see an hyperlink on it, just make sure that you click on that button. So this will pop up on your screen. So you see the names of your workbook, just make sure that you name your workbook. So this is one of the reasons why they told us to name our workbook always. You don't leave it as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So then I click on my dashboard 2 because that's the only thing I need. So I've done that. So I'll do the same thing for the other dashboard now. You see? So I'll do the same thing. I'll right click on it. Then I'll do the exact same thing. Click on the hyperlink. Then this pop up. Then click on dashboard 1 because that's what I want to navigate to. So it will give me that. So now after clicking on OK, all I have to do is test my icon button. So it should work perfectly fine if you do it right. So all I have to do is click on it, on my buttons, and it's going to work. See, when I click on first, it goes to second, first. So when I click on the other one too, it goes to so the other dashboard. So it's quite easy, though it's not like Power BI where you just ask. So in Power BI, all you have to do is go to your navigation on your view icon, just click on it, then edit, then turn on your action button or something. So but this one is quite easy as well. So all you have to do is just create your own navigation button, then just add your hyperlink to it and you're good to go. So alright guys, I hope this video helps someone out there who is trying to create a navigation button for their dashboard. So we learn every day, and bye.